Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I am so excited about this product that I'm trying out today. This is from the brand The Beauty Crop and it's the Oui Cherie pH Changing Hydrating Lip Oil. And I just got this in my November 2021 glossy box, which if you have not seen that unboxing yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. I am so happy with this month's box. So this retails for $12. This is the full-size product and it just sounds so right up my alley because I love lip products. I love hydrating lip products for my very chapped lips. But this is so cool and unique because it's supposed to be color changing. So I'm really excited to see what color this is going to turn on me. I also love that it's cruelty-free and vegan. And how cute is this packaging? Let's get into the product itself now. Oh my gosh, this is also so adorable and so unique that it's blue. Okay, let's start out with a swatch. It has a little pink tint on the applicator here. I'm gonna do a little swatch on my hand and see what happens. Okay, initially I would say it's going on clear. Let's see, is it magically changing colors? Kind of. Maybe, it's definitely a little bit more pink now on my hand. If you can kind of see that swatch there. It also smells so good. It smells sweet and fruity, like candy. And okay, my dry lips cannot wait any longer. Let's go ahead and see how it looks on me. I do feel like it goes on with the slightest tint of pink, but it is definitely getting darker. And it's such an amazing texture. I love the lip oil. It's not at all sticky, but it has great shine. It's so moisturizing on my dry lips right now. I keep rubbing my lips together to see if the color will change, but I think this is what it's settled in at, like a couple shades darker pink than my natural lip color. So it adds like a berry pink tint to the lips, which I think is so pretty, so flattering. It's very natural looking, but also enhances the lips and adds a little something, adds a little color to my face and to my look. Go ahead and just go in with a little bit more just for the fun of it. But I even feel like the applicator here has gotten darker since I took it out of the packaging for the first time. So I am going to insert a before and after picture of my lips, and there is a definite noticeable color change in my lips, and I love it. It's just so easy because it's not going to get messy. It's going to be that perfect shade to suit you. Now I want to see if there's any transfer. See, initially a clear kiss mark. It's funny, I do feel like it gets slightly darker, but maybe that's just because it's on my skin. But I mean, the color didn't fade from my lips based off of that. So it's also a long-lasting lip color, which I love, a long-lasting lip color. And I just also love that it's a nourishing, hydrating lip oil. So this really did what I was hoping for, what I was expecting. I think this just takes a lip oil to the next level. It makes it more fun and special, and how cute it is also a bonus. So I'm really happy with this. If you've tried this out, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on it, and let me know if it changed to a similar color on you as well. Like, I wonder what this means my pH is. I don't even really know what a pH is in general, so I think I like my pH because I think it's a really pretty magenta pink. But so thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.